Facebook Sam, and today we wanted to show you one of the other projects that we worked on recently. We had one of the standard shop bought stands, which the cats liked, but the materials weren't very good and they were also getting very tatty. So we spent a couple of hours to refinish the stand. We covered the old material with some cotton covers, and then we refinished the scratching posts, and we used leftover the material from some of our other projects. We have the 8mm hemp rope, which we wrapped the posts in, and I deliberately, when I tied this, I left the ends hanging because they like playing with this as well. We'll see one of the cats on here sat here playing or chewing on the end of this rope. The bottom section, again using leftover material, we used just a cotton cord. And again, they like this one. It's a different feel for them when they're scratching. And we have our model for today is Uram on the top of the stand, who is at least cooperating a little bit for this video. Okay, see you soon. So this is our cat scratcher stand, and this is with Tiffany, who's quite happy normally wrapping her front legs around it and giving it a good killing. This is why we have to refinish the stand. Tiffany is very enthusiastic at trying to kill it. Okay, see you soon.